Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is analysis and interpretation of advanced malware tools. So let's get started. In the digital age, the threat of malware, malicious software intentionally designed to cause harm to computer system, network or users has grown exponentially. Among the myriad of malicious programs that exist, malware like ransomware, rootkits and potentially unwanted programs that is PUPs pose significant threats to both individual users and corporations. They can disrupt operations, compromise security, and lead to significant financial losses. Understanding the advanced malware tools and learning how to analyze and interpret them is crucial for maintaining cybersecurity. Understanding advanced malware tools. Advanced malware tools include scanners for ransomware, rootkits, and PUPs. Ransomware is malicious software that encrypts a victim's file. The attacker then demands a ransom from the victim, promising, not always truthfully, to restore access to the data upon payment. A famous example of ransomware is WannaCry, which infected hundreds of thousands of computers worldwide, locking users out of their data and demanding Bitcoin as payment. Rootkits are a set of software tools that enable an unauthorized user to take control of a computer system without being detected. Rootkits can hide software, such as other types of malware, making them undetectable by antivirus software. For instance, the infamous Stuxnet worm, discovered in 2010, utilized a rootkit to hide its existence and activity on infected systems. Potentially unwanted programs, as the name suggests, are programs that a user may or may not realize they have downloaded. They are not always outright malicious, but they can affect the performance and security of a computer. PUPs include adware, spyware, and other unwanted tools like sniffers, password crackers, network mappers, port scanners, and vulnerability scanners. Detecting and responding to malware threats. The first step in handling these threats is detection. Advanced malware tools usually include monitoring capabilities to detect suspicious activities such as the execution of unauthorized software. When such activity is detected, the tool alerts the system administrator, who then investigates further. Automated removal or quarantine of the suspicious software is often the first response, but sometimes manual intervention is necessary. For instance, if a user accidentally downloads a PUP disguised as a legitimate software, an advanced malware tool may detect the unknown executable file during its installation process. The tool would then alert the system administrator and possibly initiate automated removal procedures. However, if the PUP has already embedded itself deep within the system file or altered system setting, manual removal might be required. Addressing severe malware intrusions. When a severe malware intrusion occurs, such as successful ransomware attack, more drastic measures might be necessary. Depending on the malware type and the impact of the system, administrators might need to isolate the affected system from the network to prevent the malware from spreading to other machines. In extreme cases, the compromised drives might need to be replaced entirely. A new secure system image is then restored to the machine. For example, if a business computer was hit by a particularly vicious strain of ransomware that rendered its file unrecoverable even after paying the ransom, the company might opt to replace the computer's hard drive and reinstall a secure backup of the system. Learning from malware incidents. Analyzing and interpreting the outputs of advanced malware tools does more than just help manage current threats. It also provides valuable insights for future cybersecurity measures. By studying the behaviors of malware and the vulnerabilities they exploit, organizations can identify risky practices and tasks that increase the susceptibility to attacks. For instance, if an organization continually experiences PUP issues on its network, a study of the malware tools output might reveal that many of these unwanted programs come from the same source, perhaps a popular but unsecured software download site. Recognizing this, the organization can implement policies to limit access to such sites and provide training to employees on identifying and avoiding PUPs. So in conclusion, advanced malware tools pose a significant threat to a computer and network security. Understanding, analyzing, and interpreting the working of these tools can aid in the timely detection, mitigation, and prevention of malware threats. The knowledge gained from these activities empowers organizations and individuals to take proactive measures fostering a safer and more secure digital environment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website. And don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. And if you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we will try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.